Hakuna Matata, my country people at the throne, a big salute for outside here. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 3 o'clock. Now we big story time. We go check out story this afternoon for talk about wonderful and terrible kind thing that happened for inside this country with the call and Cameroon. Where last Sunday for Evangelical Church of Cameroon for this side for Bali, for Littoral, trouble be there for that side. Pastor Foso, Mr. Foso Calvin for that side being a pastor for the parish, he be there for inside BB trouble. After when they be accused, say he don't chop soya with plenty gondes for that side for church. Yesterday we passed for that side the church, he be there now half dry. After we they don't send new pastor for that side for say me he come for see how he go dialogue with people then for say me peace he come back for this to Palava church in the country. They will carry una to go to that side for bed to talk about Palava Okada. After sense of the discourse say the one of the biggest town where he get Okada for Cameroon like a Kribi. Now this side they come and say Betua. They don't hold to their own men. They no one see man way in no way get uniform for skin. Deadline they don't drum. From that side to go check out to talk about how Kitu they don't put hand for some three mas embedded for that side for Kribi. Where it is so they go for that side for noon, go dig to die body them. Where they don't bury them, move the skeleton for cancer and 10 million. How they manage catch them? Now for that side, we'll check out the Tory plan for talk about the other thing that happened. Palava acting for Douala, but for some highway again where they so where to be the cause. Nangongoro where he park for corner road, he make some part he lost his life for that side with Okada. No park for corner road, other parents he park, but to make 1, 2, 3, so say this so they blame Nangom for say road he did like dash for tomato. You feel call me Michael? Call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we go enter for inside Tori proper. May we start for Naktori this afternoon, my country, for talk about the one where it worry plenty people. The Evangelical Church of Cameroon did only overget plenty trouble them for inside Cameroon. Palava they hold the pastor today, another pastor don't move out for this side. Pastor Calvin for so last for that side for Bali. Evangelical Church, he will come say one preach this kind gospel. You want preach gospel where the chop soya for picking the left and right after way. 10 where they be even put Pastor Foso Calvin for that side for cheer. Christian they saying gang, we know one ye. All man be saying gang, they know why, but 10 where the big Oga don't talk. No man is not give for dinner. So other people they say, he did like say, na trap where they put time for Pastor Foso Calvin, he fall for the trap. So other one they say, na temptation. Oh boy, which one to go hear them? But for that side, yesterday Sunday, we be saying we go see whether Christian they go come for church or they no go come. Now church say that it go on for that side. Now another pastor where they don't send them for that side. Pastor Samuel talk come for that side where he don't come for temple. Say this so una Carmos. Now the new pastor that for Evangelical Church for that side for Bali. When they una Carmos say the people they don't overvex now to not only for say this so maybe the only thing say una Asia put medicine for the wound for heal the wound for save this so maybe they continue for save God the way they save God. Now kako then that for Mr. Foso Calvin for that side, the former pastor way be there for that side. They move all in Kako. Put up outside, rain you follow, dust you follow. Who say it the same day? It don't slide like an okra. No man, no. 30 days. Maybe we come for that side, continue now going to this time around my country, but we'll take no land for this side where they come and say Betua. After when they want look proper. They discover say one of the biggest town where he did, that is, in fact, it recruit Okada riders. Na Betua. Now we kitu them after thing we pass for that side for Kribi where they so they want to for put order for sector for Okada people. Now so to authority them for Betua, they don't hold to their own government K2O traditional rulers so with the GO and IGO. They try for see what we need for do for say me we put rules and regulations where you get for guide Okada people. So that thing where it happen for other town, make it not happen for we town, and we get for make sure say me all thing a day punky. Now so where they start to for do it. They say number one. Now say me any Okada man they fit identify for knowing whether they do Okada or not do Okada because plenty crime they go on for that side of Betua. Now true Okada. They receive phone, they do the one, but they don't fit mark no man because no man in it wear uniform. No man no will get your uniform. Even though they don't put dates in there, so first week for February, any man again for day punky. Syndicate to say thing where you go hold them that say me the uniform they be available. Me they not say the quarter because they don't choose 4 different uniform them. Blue, yellow, and red for that side. Say with the green. Any quarter, don't say this side, if you see you call this way you come for this quarter, the pick of that side and say, we will see the Okada man number 232. Now who get that name? Now who get that number? They go say, no, now Umaru. Now Umaru said you, no, Umaru said you. That one, he tall so, he black so, plenty. He get in a senki. They go, don't know you one time. They know say number 100 and the one way get red color. He come on so and so quarter. They say so first week for the one way first day for February. Any man he get for be ready for identify himself for say me work for Okada people. He not became being a only corner work the bad thing or good thing and so for inside Okada. It is help and so it is also tonton kill with brother them for inside this one after you take see how the thing they happen for that side for Betua. But we'll leave that Betua Brother Patrico. Come back from inside in Dongame for talk about Palava accident. Douala Bafoussam Highway again around that sky Hong Kong. This 70-seater, it don't make more than 4 days for route. The Okada man in the struggle for Chakra Ontori. Say thing when you make a nap papa die with the Okada Navosika say the motor will be parked for road. Then and it will be an hour away. Motor they go for West Region, they go for West Region. You know say time with 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, so motor they pass. Shwam. So the papa he don't come, he see where you know they for pass, he park. Another motor can pass. Then I think who come and say me want go another motor, another coaster be come for a bag with the power plenty. The partner one struggle say this so make it jump one time the space in between ye and the motorway he be the overtaker. Now so way he enter now for under motor just grinding one time for that side. Now so the under blow is so now so K2 they come for that side. Firefighting brigade and 2 they come for that side. The owner can't do that work. Carry the body goat for that side and the body will sleep so. Carry an goat from Consamba for that side for Wasapit for mortuary for that side. Then a woman too. What you not expect? Why oh. But I'm gonna see the day, the morning time. You see there. Authority no matter do nothing for see this so how motor go spoil for road. Route them, they pass for that road morning, afternoon for go take that gombo them. Police they pass, gendarme they pass. No man and no man say the motor pass yesterday today I pass the same. 90s don't keep person. The agency says when a motor spoil, when I no go to tam. No me move call name. Okay. Patrick Moon leave that side. But Moon saw remember that side from Consamba this time around Master Patrick for talk about house where he born for that side for a bomb one for that side from Consamba. How waiting make the house burn? That 2 small picking they don't like that for tomato. They don't have really 2 years up. Now grand picking them. They don't take lighter, they replot and they cut and quash. That's why they laugh like a fowl. The pass say, he don't see the 2 picking them. He don't run commode. He don't run enter. Can't hold his skin. Hold on. He say, where the grand picking they go kill me. They eat drive them. They don't enter for his house. They don't go tell later. Quash. One time, they don't like things for house. He start catch. Now they run nakahala. Whoa. Thank God say this so no man he no die. House the Calabar house. He born so he swept all the key he born for inside. Mammy the owner can say why mahano the grand picking. You return picking say me go for school. He go bring you a picking certificate. Now can certificate you don't come born me house. Oh yes. Now certificate that. Certificate don't come born other certificate. He born house. They don't turn SDF. No house. But at least the land is still there. Nobody only help them. Now for a boom one for that side from Konsamba as they take una two koro item chop Christmas. And then they move leave that side, Master Patrick carry with this time around move enter Kribi town where it is so 1 week enough you pass with no year strong news. Strong number mo come on Kribi. But this time around Nakitu he do it. He catch 3 young boy them. Number 4 is he there on the run. Imagine their age, in between 20 to 23 years old boy, 3 of them. They don't come Shidong for entrance for town with their mukuta back. Patrick, show me the back museum. You see the back? Now skeleton for human being in the inside. And this skeleton, so he come up for that side for Koptamo. Koptamo didn't have that side for noon. They go dig 2 graves. Bring up. No, Patrick, come back. Wala. Show na the one. Now the skeleton and that. They don't go dig the grave, then dig the grave, then dig the grave, then dig the grave, them. Move all the skeleton, come. The man way one buy him, he be propose them 10 million. And now the man way one buy him, he don't go take it to say, hey. Nine that. Then no man want talk for front camera. No man want talk. Any man only hide. Say, film the makeup and I tell you what happen. Film makeup. Even the owner of the restaurant, no, he say, I beg, when not show me for television. I'll be sitting where happen. The boy they become them 3. They just say more give them the small drinking. Say they talk business. Then tell one come for the corner. They drive we. When I go. We can't do it for him. We talk about business. We know what number for corner. We want enjoy ourselves. And they talk so. See they just don't. They just in the scene of police. They come to. Oh, you shake and shoot. The boy they just hand for up. They say, lie down. They lie down. They say, put your hand for back. They put hand for back. And one time, they put the handcuff. They carry them, go down for the police station. Nothing that was sabi, oh. Nothing that was been sabi. Yes. Now for Kribi. Patrick, I better leave that on there and you look me for this side. Most of the men for inside Kribi. But this time around, we not go talk about skeleton where he come up for that side for noon, where they travel. Imagine, from that side for noon for Fumban, past Douala, enter take a road for Kribi. This blood one that see on 30 blocks so. See the mine back? Now some uncompleted building. Where they saw Mr. Matip Joseph, young man. They can met up you where he don't put rope for his neck. According by his brother and her sister, the way they met up he. The other one say, tell me I can't see I see and so as I put a crack and look at. I call the other prayer, other brother say me I can't take him, can't say I will to koro. I the same not touch him. Then one of his sister, na he come from that side, he see him so he because police the 90s. Police they can't met up he. That way they don't call Kitu they can't met up where either already cut the rope, the man fall for down. Then he take water, the trap. He say no, that way come, he see where the sea hot, now he cut rope, he begin throw water. They say, why you throw water for his skin? Who side blood come out? How it happen? He say, me I don't been sabi, no nothing go. Police say, enter. They say, the one Ibrahim say, well, I be joking say Massa corporate. Police say, enter. They take number 1, they take number 2, they take number 3, they take number 4. 4 suspects. They dey for Kitu the house for Kribi for that side. Say, explain how Mr. Matip Joseph died. Now for inside that household. How you been sabi? He said, I don't been sabi, oh, I don't been sabi. What thing be happen? Police they say them they do their own if their own small investigate. And they go must come with the true talk. Waiting happen before Mr. Matip, whether true he died by hanging. Or they boo him before they take rope put him for his neck. No man if he talk waiting it go on for inside this one after to say when I take one or two koro at them chop Christmas for 10 days it happen for inside this country say so Kribi. Na time we strong number he must come up for day after 1 or 2 times for inside 1 week. Patrick Obemu join them for inside Kribi before one continue for other town them. Kribi He don't turn be now one of the town them for inside Cameroon where this so now the only touristic side where don't remain. Creepy deep there, this part where Papa Popol, he don't send them for creepy and them. See at least big belly from Dogofao, if he enter for that side for creepy, if he carry kako, begin go to for other different countries. People for that side don't glad. Land, it don't turn dear. House railway, if they be rent and 5,000, it don't go to 10,000. All thing for creepy, chop and all thing life, it just become very expensive for creepy. But the way it happen for creepy now, I say, how did it grow for creepy like a cocobiaco? It means you the one part of morning time, you see the one they go like a cocobiaco. You walk over that side, another has to grow like a cocobiaco. And I said they just grow. Palava urban disorder. Time will pass for community event, and them say, when I been sabi say it no be easy for control the big kind town so because you pass today for you don't see horse. You want pass tomorrow, you see they only put and sing. You need to sabi whether na how. They didn't even can ask for authorization, building permit. So community event for that side, they don't the wear Bangabood and Changshu. Say no one say after 2-3 years they start bronchitis as they broke Douala, broke the one. Say any man with one big horse, come for that side, look at your plot, whether it there for road, escape that side so na play when come na it want put commissariat or it want build police station or it want build the one they call and say Wasapita or that plane na road. Because any man is just build because when you build now so they don't take you build hotel, they just build because they so Southwest Limbe now don't turn to some kind way people now they say if I've been sabi I not for build this hotel for Limbe. I forgot build for Kribi. See all man now they go now Kribi. Patrick, may we leave that side for Kribi. Bring me back for three play with the call and say littoral with the column alias Douala. Custom people. They don't do them again. So other people will say, no way, don't tell what will not show them for television. Their skin is sky, it'll be like they do work. Say better I didn't want me to sacrifice them. Me to sacrifice them. Some sheep there they call and say, this small sheep they know, Naomi 1. He come, he began for pack for you pay. But they define it for you pay, it don't disappear. Because they be nothing they enter Cameroon. Okay. Now so custom they put hand for some gongoro where carry spaghetti is carry mulu plenty he carry kako them. Then when they break that mulu that motor pack. Who say you go? He said, I dey go for inside town no? I dey go for na my kako don't buy. They say okay, show the book. Show paper. Who can play the go? They say okay, if you shake, we shoot. You know I don't want talk no. Then when they want look proper investigation. They record that kako will be go for inside this shit where they record and say Naomi 1. Where he don't go pack for Konawata for that side for the play they call and say for Bunaberi. Now when they don't go pack, they do the transaction of the kako. It means that kako they transaction. So they didn't pay no one book for custom. And that's why they plenty. They say Bunaberi na entering quarter. You say Kitu so they just drive motor so enter for inside some quarter. Say what did Kitu they go do for this side? Small time want see the come. If it be the time face before you go, small time want see the come the smile. And when you come so you need to go office you dey first go for some small fine snacks so you see the chop one thing, the smile. Where small gombo don't go for. See the kako. Now when custom they say come. They go show you for television. Will work fine work or will work. Come pack. They bring her now for corner water for inside post. They say okay, pack for them. They say okay. They kako the expensive when I carry this kako, you need to be paid this chew. Then they cash they put them say this. So they go for pay plus penalty for trying to chop the government's money because you don't thief government no. Like that. Maybe leave that side, Patrico. This time around, we will carry una go down for this side with the call and say wait for Manu. Kidnapping it don't enter Cameroon oh. How we go do my sister Asia? He said they should not for us. They just use unknown men, they don't come. Poop, they knock push. One time. They only had so. Now so they had no man, he need to come out. Now so when he come out on train, he go for K2 house. He go reach for K2 house. The unknown arm them. They only carry them, papa. Give them for back pick up. Hey boy, then they disappear. Before Jana they want come, they put it on slide like okra. You want to be the first, not be the second, not be the third. They say about 10 of kidnapping cases, they don't the hammer inside Manju. People the one that say, wait till kidnapping don't happen. That is, kidnapping don't can define it because kidnapping don't turn out one of the people's business. He didn't say police people don't work fine work for the catch the people. Now so don't discuss say now the people they be relaxed coming and they know say no we are very living fine for our country, trouble no dey for our country. Now they don't na kidnapping the pay now. Oh man, kidnapping. They kidnap them they carry go bush. Pa now so the chakaratori, pa they for bush, and the kind of thing, why you where now. They know they wait taking me ring. Wait this gendarme for the city, so they don't try their own kind way they fit try all kind of thing for that side for Manchu. They don't create vigilante group them for secure quarter them. They don't create kind when they talk with chief the quarter. If you get anything, collaborate with gendarme, they meet themselves, they say even themselves, they don't retire. They don't retire. They need more small man you so you need plenty, even for up for that side. They say they need now more gendarme and more Kituno for that side. When government too need more because they don't send plenty for northwest and southwest and for that side for north. We palaver the trouble in every country. And as all they die, they only recruit to every day. So for palaver kidnapping, Master Patrick, carry with this time around go to for that side for Adamawa. Family should also. Who say mommy they who no been sabi we only here for night. Boo, they don't broke door. They carry mama, they come on go tap. They want go, they reach for road, kidnapper, they come back again. They come broke in one of you picking a door. They carry five clothes and carry clothes, they pick off to select the way they select them. Then they come on, they go, they picking come on, they follow it. Okay, when I go, mommy, I follow now back. They say, no, you go back. Will you go now, yeah, mommy? They go. They now number 1 day, they don't call. Number 2, they don't call. Number 3, they call now. They say, we want 10 million. If we don't get 10 million, we not go see una mama again. That sorry, you know go come back again. They say, hey, 10 million. Even we say, oh, we property, you know go ever need 10 million. We'll tell that company for side. They say, okay. When I wait, we'll see what you do. It won't be again the next day. They call again. They say, okay, when I find 4 million, if 4 million no day, now in that way they picking the explain up. Say if 4 million no day, when I no go see una mommy them. Oh my say, wait till it happen for ancient Cameroon with Palava, the one where they call and say insecurity and people that turn every day, they die like a fowl, they kidnap them. Cameroonians they don't lost more than 2 billion. That way they pay they don't Cameroon people them they don't pay for kidnappers them more than 2 billion money we go to the struggle for see after this so now when that people they me say money one go pay 10 million they want go pay 30 million they want go pay 100,000 they go and try for globalize all that money is considered so we'll go about 2 billion for money where they don't pay as ransom for kidnappers them 2 billion oi Nchu plenty nchu but we come on outside for Adamawa carry we bring and this time around for a day at last a day it don't get clean up day at last every Wednesday from 6:30 for morning time, go reach for this hour where they call and say 11:30. It not go be public holiday for a day, but it go be na their own clean up day. Every Wednesday, not be the ones like how Douala they do. Now every Wednesday clean. Business person say no, Master Dio, that thing you don't talk so it is too much. Who would have lost plenty money? How would they pay tax? And when I go reduce it to small tax for 2 hours, and now it will be plenty hour them for that side about 4 hours where they lost them daily, so they know they make small chew. They say this so a day I must clean. Since Isakam, it don't begin tired for saying to only the flow fine. They go begin help them too. Clean that gutter them, open them, and the money will come to your bank begin for the take begin and the people tell me they clean that gutter. People they begin clean up. People say, what thing would they do to that one with the call and say hygiene and sanitation where you don't turn me a legal tax for Cameroon? In those days, Man for hygiene and sanitation, he come for your shop. He say, Papa, have you see your medical certificate? If you say chop, have you see where your toilet is there? Have you see where I get fire extinguisher? Have you see where I get medical box? If first in a wound for your play, you give him small wound. But now, time when man come, he look na war. You don't pay? Top pay? Eh? Show me book, show book. No, the one you be paying last year. Join the one for today. Eh? You not pay the one for the year. They lock you. Hey! Hygiene and sanitation. He don't change. He told me a legal tax. 15,000. 20,000. Where to be the cartel? They look na higher company big, eh? If you are workplace big, fine, they say no, you pay na 15,000. You get small, they say no, na 6,000. Eh? You get one big small, they say no, 10,000, 30,000, 50,000. Hey! Hygiene and sanitation. From hygiene to normal tax. Move just remember that side for a day for talk about preparations. Then he go on. For that side, for the one they call and say 11 February. You day preparation. It go on. They don't see already the first meeting them for the see what to be the activities where picking they go to begin do and how they go guide picking them because they say sometimes that they will pick from 5, from 4 picking them plenty go there them. They always carry belly. They write exam they pass. The entire they get for control for go now for the other classes them they start picking the work and put in trouble. They act that week now week we plenty bar, snack bar and obey they make plenty too. They start here they go broke other small for same other kind of thing happen. Me they try to see how they will make activities then way picking the only picking the for only for inside Sukuru. They know what they come up for go outside for go to do kind of thing how they go guide up in for better way and how picking and to the fifth benefit from doing what they call youth week for that side where they call 11 February. For that side from Bam Ekim, them two they be wear the Banged Boot and Changshu. She done for start talk about preparations for the one where they call and say you day. How you go day? How you go pass? Who they go play football versus this one? How we go arrange them? Now how much we will budget? Wait to me, I go talk for that day like a speech. Eh? So them two they say okay. That day they come to they not do their own preparation for that for Bamekim for that for center region for that for see how they go orientate picking for same they celebrate their own day for better way and which kind of activities them they go they run through for inside this BBD by control they take on to koro item and for that side. Any idea? Not a small story that we'll be cooking for that for this afternoon. We did call and say for Monday, for first day for week, even though we'll be sorry for last week, say this so. But it never select better for better way. But in around the punky. Tomorrow will be another day again where we'll come back with plenty to do for someone and enjoy and for better way. Thanks to now when something will happen when they call we for tingling for talk about when the year bad the one that we say I mean fine, good, fine. Call we through the thing number. Fee myself, send them for we through WhatsApp. They will know how we cook for better way for same people they know to they happen for inside this country. I don't go. So then for tomorrow again, I will come back for some more Chakara Tori.